Hey guys, this is Simply Unique here to do a hair unboxing for you guys today. The company is from HerGivenHair. I am extremely excited. I got this a few weeks ago and I've been waiting to do this hair unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. Pretty nice and simple. It opens like this. Let's pull this off. And it comes nicely packaged, individually packaged here. I have the 18-inch. The texture is coily. And again, they are clip-ins. Here it is. Simply Unique Styles. So they gave me 2 bundles of this. And then they just come with their little catalog here, HerGivenHair, which is pretty cool. It also shows the maintenance after installation, washing your extensions, and different tips for taking care of their hair. So far, so good. Samples, if you like a sample, let me know. And let's see how this feels. More wig clips. Doesn't feel too bad. No shed, which is great. So this is straight out the box how it looks here. Cut it. So just looking at it now, me personally, I would not wear it straight out the box. I would definitely put a little care to it first, especially to blend with my natural hair. Definitely comes with a lot of little tracks here. But freshly washed and detangled hair. I have not put any products in there yet, so it's absolutely dry. And this is what it looks like out. Not too bad. Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. I am a big fan of Cantu products. They seem to do very well on my hair. Eco Styler Gel, black castor and flaxseed oil. So got my 3 braids. Most of the hair I prepare first to get the best look and to get the best blend. With my own famous oily coilies. This is the lavender in lemongrass flavor. It's just amazing and it smells great. So if you'd like to try it, If you'd like to purchase a bottle, let me know. I have some little bottles here, but it's all natural oils, very good for hair growth. Look how shiny my hair is. This is how it looks so far. I am going to be adding more to the back so it can be fuller. Of course, it's also going to be a lot fuller once it fully dries and, you know, sets in. But I'm going to be adding more anyways, just filling in some more spots. Okay, so at the end, I tried many different styles. The ball, to the side. The hair itself feels good after I conditioned it and worked with it a little bit. And the clip-ins, it definitely installed pretty easily, nice and tight. The only thing is this is their natural black color. My hair is natural black and this is brown, dark brown. So I tried to get it to blend, but there's no way for it to blend where you just can't distinctly tell the difference. So unfortunately, even though I really was excited about wearing this hair and I really did like it, I'm not gonna keep it in. Stay tuned in the future for more product reviews, hair reviews, and different hairstyles, different techniques, and different tips to help your natural hair.